In the age of diet trends, it's easy to get lost between what's fashionable and what's functional. But when it comes to long term health, especially managing inflammation, metabolism, and hormonal balance, two dietary strategies are standing out. The first, the anti inflammatory diet. Second, OMAD, or one meal a day. But do these diets really work? And most importantly, are they safe for everyone? Let's break it down. Science time. Welcome to InBody Charcha. Here we discuss the science of body composition analysis and its effect on health. Before we dive into the video, let me ask you a question. Are you a doctor or a dietitian looking for an upgrade to your practice with a cutting edge technology? Don't miss the opportunity to get a free personalized InBody demo right at your clinic. Here's 4 simple steps how you can get it done. Click the link in the description, hit the book a demo button, fill out the quick form, and our team will connect with you to schedule a smooth hassle-free demo. No cost, no commitment, just experience the power of precision with Health Tech. Many people today feel persistently bloated, tired, or stuck in a weight loss plateau. Even when tests are normal, often the issue is chronic low-grade inflammation, a condition now known as inflammaging. And this is where food becomes therapeutic. The anti-inflammatory diet isn't a strict regimen. It's a philosophy of healing through food. It removes triggers like refined sugar, trans fat, seeds oil, and ultra-processed foods, and adds antioxidant-rich whole foods, traditional spices, and gut-soothing ingredients. Spices like turmeric, ginger, cumin, and cinnamon, long used in Indian kitchens, are now scientifically proven to downgrade the inflammatory pathways. As Dr. Mark Hyman says, food is not just calories, it's information. This approach supports conditions like PCOS, autoimmune disorders, IBS, post-COVID fatigue, and many more. Now let's talk about OMAD, one meal a day. This protocol involves fasting for 23 hours, then eating one large nutrient-dense meal. Supporters claim that it boosts cell repair, improves insulin sensitivity, burns visceral fat, reduces water retentions linked to inflammation. But here's the clinical reality. OMAD is not universally safe. According to studies, it can lead to loss of lean muscle mass, especially without adequate protein. It may spike blood sugar post-meal and disrupt insulin response in some people. Fasting for 23 hours can elevate cortisol, disrupt sleep, and trigger fatigue. It's also linked to micronutrient deficiency, menstrual irregularities, and is not safe for people with hypothyroidism or adrenal fatigue. For those with a history of eating disorders, OMAD can be psychologically destabilizing. So while OMAD works for some, it can go wrong very fast without proper guidance. Here's another problem. If we focus on weight, not what we are losing, you might lose 5 kg weight. But is that fat, water, or muscle? This is where InBody, body composition analysis, comes in. Using tools like InBody, we track fat versus muscle, visceral fat, ECW ratio, a sign of inflammation, phase angle, a marker of cellular health. For example, anti-inflammatory diets may show modest weight loss, but major gains in energy, inflammation, and reduction cannot be seen. OMAD may drop weight quickly, but may also cause muscle loss or nutrient depletion that you cannot see without a body composition analyzer. So that's why body composition helps you track exactly how the line of diet is going and how the line of treatment is effective or not. Nutrition is never one size fits all. It's definitely not one trend fits all. The anti-inflammatory diet offers sustainable healing for chronic conditions. OMAD, while promising for some, requires clinical judgment and is not for everyone. Track beyond the scale, use data, not guesswork, and make decisions based on your body's chemistry, not social media. Book a body composition demo